Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off Microsoft Edge notifications. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. In the sidebar on the left I select Cookies and Site Permissions. In this menu I scroll down until I reach Notifications and click on it. To disable notifications in Edge, I set this slider to inactive. If the function is switched off, Edge will no longer ask me in future whether websites are allowed to notify me. As I said, however, this only applies to all future requests. Websites for which I have already made a setting remain saved. Here is an example with the Huffington Post. Notifications are currently blocked. However, I can change the setting using the three dots. For example, I can allow notifications for this specific site or remove the saved setting. If you want to disable notifications for a website which is saved here, you may find some entries here. Here you can also click on the three dots and change the setting so that the website notifications are blocked in the future, or you can also remove the entry. Since we have basically forbidden Edge to ask us for permission in the future, both settings are okay. Blocking makes sense especially if you set Edge to ask for permission. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.